This is Tim. Tim was fed up of his faulty, outdated garage door and needed a replacement. He'd had countless quotes from big companies with pushy salesmen, but needed a company that genuinely cared. A friend had recommended Daunting, so Tim decided to give us a call. We had a good old chat about what sort of style, colour and size he was looking for, and sent him a ballpark estimate, all before visiting Tim's house to get the necessary measurements. We wrote out a reasonable final quote then and there over a cup of tea and a biscuit or two. And Tim was so impressed with the quote that he rang up the very next morning to place his order. We arranged for the door to be delivered and the order was confirmed by email. After a few weeks, an installation manager let Tim know that we'd received his made-to-order garage door and arranged a fitting date. Soon enough, we arrived to replace the tired old one. Backed by experience and full of knowledge, our team had the shiny new door fitted in no time. Tim was so happy with his new garage door, he told everyone about it. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with Daunting today to discover our range of garage doors.